didn't get. You didn't tell me your name. What's your name? Oh, Cole. Okay.
Oh, Stewart.
Oh, Cole Stewart.
Cole Stewart. Well, there can't be more than 2 of those in the neighborhood.
So do they call you CS? No.
No.
We could.
I'm DG.
No, when his mother gets her
My wife's
MT. Oh, McCaskill
Yes.
Oh, Cole McCaskill.
Stewart.
Well, that's a CM.
Yes.
CMK. Okay. Oh, look at they're dancing now. See dancing?
This is the one second slip over. This is the guy with the dark hair, the young guy with the young wife, and the big white dog.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that's his
Oh,
boat.
I saw this one in the harbor today.
Yeah.
That was decorated?
Yeah, they're right down here.
Oh.
Well, let's see, you're in building 9. They're further. Are they across from 9 or closer in? I think. I mean, on down toward the. Boy, they did a job on that. Give them a hand, Cole.
Yay! Look at that! Merry Christmas! Y'all need to sing Merry Christmas sometimes.
Yeah. Oh, look at it. He's got the. Is that? What's that?